Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. Happy Friday. This haul is from Walmart. I will say, not that it really matters, but earlier this week I actually went to BJ's and I did film a haul. It was not a huge haul. It was like $120. And I did film a haul and I accidentally deleted that entire video or clip, I guess. I also lost some lunch and dinner clips, like what's for dinner, what's for lunch clips. And I was pretty pissed off, to be honest. I know that's irrelevant to this, but you have no idea, if you're a YouTuber, how frustrating it can be to have clips that you're waiting to piece together and you accidentally delete them to the point of no return. But anyways, I was going to combine my BJ's haul that I filmed earlier in the week with this haul, but I no longer have that haul because I, again, deleted it. So anyways, this is all from Walmart. It is everything in addition to what I got at BJ's. Mainly, to be honest, guys, it was meats. I stocked up on a lot of meats at BJ's, so you're not really missing a whole lot. I did get some chicken breast, a whole chicken, actually 2 whole chickens, some sausage. Again, a lot of meats. And I also wanted to share, because I did get this at BJ's as well. BJ's came out with 2 new, or not BJ's, but at BJ's I found a 36-pack of these Canada Dry new ginger ale and orangeade and ginger ale and lemonade. So in the 36 pack, it came with 12 of these, and then 12 regular ginger ale, like original flavor. I did share this on my Insta stories, and I got a ton of DMs asking about them, so I thought I would share these in this video. Again, these are just 2 of the 36 pack, but these are the 2 new flavors, so if you find them in any of your local stores, try them. My husband tried both of these last night. I actually had a sip of each. They're really, really good. And limited stuff only comes around for so long. I would imagine by August or September, these would be gone. But anyways, back to Walmart. I think I'll start in this corner. I got a thing of Daisy sour cream because I hate sour cream personally, but my husband likes it on a lot of different things. And he really likes these squeeze tubes, and he does like the Daisy brand. I got another of the Pillsbury pizza crust. If you saw my most recent What's for Dinner video, this is what I was using to make that pizza in that little cooking clip. I got another one because later, next week, we're going to be having some friends over. And they have 2 small kids, and I thought it would be fun to let the kids and Grady make a little pizza, obviously with adult supervision, but that is the pizza crust that I use. I got a family-sized box of the Zatarain's Dirty Rice Mix because I got some ground beef. I can make this as a quick dinner one night, and this makes a lot because it's the family size. I stocked up on some pastas. I got some corkscrew Celentani pasta. I got the like the cut in half rigatonis for a recipe, and then just some plain old ziti. My Walmart just started carrying the huge container of this Natural Bliss. For the longest time, I could only find the small one at Walmart, and the local Walmart I go to now has this size, which is huge. This is the size I normally get at BJ's. So it's the Natural Bliss all natural coffee creamer. I really like it a lot. I got Grady's multigrain Cheerios. He likes these in the morning sometimes with some yogurt and fruit. I also got Grady's vitamins. These are the Smarty Pants multivitamins with omega-3 fish oil, vitamin D3, and B12. These are the only vitamins he will take consistently on a regular basis. They are expensive, but I'll do what I'll do what I need to do to get him to take a multivitamin. So I got him another of those because we're about to run out of his current bottle. I also needed more biotin vitamins for myself. I've never tried this brand. Normally, I'll show you guys. Normally I use this one, but I literally have 2 left. So that's why I got this one. They didn't have this one. I believe this one is exclusive to Target. It says only at Target. I swear I've seen it at Walmart. But anyways, I got this Nature Made, same concept, biotin for myself. I got some Pepperidge Farm apricot raspberry cookies and actually ate a couple on the way home because I was starving. I got a big bag of the tricolor quinoa. This will make a ton, but I'll obviously use it for different things because next week I want to do a shrimp quinoa veggie bowl, which I did last week or the week before, and it was delicious, so I want to make some of that. I got some Mission jalapeno cheddar wraps because you know I gotta make Matt's lunch. And you guys will be seeing these, of course, in the lunch videos. I got my Downy. This is the Infusions Cashmere Glow fabric conditioner. It's not really a fabric softener, it's a conditioner, and yes, it does work, and it also smells really good as well. So I got that. I got 3 of these Orbit Bubble Mint gums. This is my favorite gum. I got 1 for my car, 1 for Matt's truck, and then a backup as well. So I grabbed 3 of those. I got some Sargento Baby Swiss for Matt's sandwiches. Some of the Stacy roasted garlic bagel chips. I really like these. These are really good for making bruschetta at home. I got some Green Giant Veggie Tots, the broccoli and cheese. I have not gotten these in a while, and they're really good. I actually forgot about them for a bit, but they're a really good alternative to like tater tots. Grady will eat like 2, but I really like them, so I got them. I got some individual little Breyers, all natural vanilla little yogurt ice cream cups. They are small, which is great for portion control, and they're really good. We all like them, so I grabbed those. I got some of these smoothies, actually for my husband. He has been into this particular brand, the Lala brand yogurt smoothie. And this is the tropical mango, and it has 5 grams of protein, so I've been giving him these with his lunches sometimes. This is a new find that I definitely wanted to touch on. This is the Wal-Mart brand, produce brand market side. It's a super blend of Brussels sprouts, Napa cabbage, kohlrabi, broccoli, carrot, and kale. I actually made, I think I mentioned a little bit earlier that I made quinoa, shrimp, and roasted veggie or sauteed veggie bowls. This is what I used. And I did post a picture on my Instagram, got a lot of DMs about it. So this is what I used in that picture, which I'm going to insert right now. But yes, this is it. So I plan to use this with the quinoa, and I'll pick up some shrimp. I just discovered a local little seafood market, so I'm gonna get my seafood from there from now on as far as like shrimp goes, and then I'll make that one night for dinner next week. This stuff's really good, guys. I just sauteed it up in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. It did not need anything else. It was delicious. I got some Mott's cinnamon applesauce cups because anytime we have pork, I usually like to have this, and sometimes I just like to snack on these as like a little sweet treat. I got some French brioche buns. I have gotten so many people onto these. I found them a couple years ago at my old Walmart in South Carolina. They are delicious for sandwiches, for burgers. They're just really, really good. And they've been sold out at the Walmart here. Today's the first time I was able to find them. This was the last package. I got some Stonyfield organic whole milk. We don't drink milk in this house, but I use it in different recipes or soups. And we actually can get like, this is a half gallon, which will last me like a whole month. And I know that's crazy for people who do drink milk, but that's how little milk we actually go through for recipes and stuff. So I grabbed that. I got some organic romaine hearts for salads. I got a big zucchini for roasting. I got some baby little cucumbers for salads and dipping. I like to make like a little plates up with these sliced up for hummus or dressing, and they're really, really good. I got some chocolate Jello pudding for Grady or whoever. Got a dozen eggs. Grady's field day at school is next week, and I was asked to bring bottled water and some juice boxes. So I already have the bottled water in my garage, and then I just grabbed these today. I was asked to bring 12 of each. So I have 12, I believe 12 in here, and then 4 12 kids. So I have whatever's in here. It's like 8, 10, or 12. I don't even know. And then I have a whole case of the mini bottled waters in my garage. Some organic Arnold 12 grains and seeds bread. I got this first at BJ's last month, and it was very good. Forgot to get it at BJ's earlier in the week, and it was perfect because my Walmart has it now, along with a few other varieties. It is expensive. It's even expensive at Walmart. It's like $4 and change, but it's a really good, hearty, and dense bread. So I grabbed that. And lastly, I got these absolutely beautiful asparagus spears. Again, that Walmart produce brand market side. They are just beautiful. This video picture cannot do it any justice how beautiful they are. I think we're going to throw these on the grill one night next week because we're supposed to have a stretch of good weather. But yes, guys, this is everything I got. I would have had more if I hadn't deleted the BJ's haul, but anyways, like I said, you didn't miss much because it was mainly meat. And now I'm going to share with you guys my meal plan for the week. Okay guys, so meal plan for the week of June 3rd. By the way, can anybody believe that it's June? Through Saturday the 9th. So one night I'm going to do that shrimp. I have to just go to that seafood place for some fresh shrimp, and then I'll make some quinoa, and then I'll do those veggies that I showed you guys, that power mix. Another night I'm going to do something called a deconstructed chicken salad. So what that would mean is Matt and I are going to grill up some chicken, and then we're going to cut it all up into like kind of small pieces or strips, and we'll season it really well, and then we'll toss the chicken in the Caesar dressing with a little bit of croutons, and then we'll actually eat the chicken tossed in the dressing with the croutons and some Parmesan cheese. We'll eat that mixture in a romaine heart, like a taco. Does that make sense? So I don't know, just wanted to try something a little bit different, and I like making like versions of deconstructed things. But anyway, so I'm gonna try that out. I'll probably film a clip on that just to show you guys in an upcoming What's for Dinner video, which I'm irritated because I would have had another one almost ready to go, but I know I keep harping on the clips that I deleted, but it really is kind of heartbreaking, as dramatic as that sounds. Anyways, along with those chicken Caesar salad little wrap things, I'm going to make some pasta salad. I make that a lot, all year round actually, but I make it a lot in the warm months. I have a video on this and I'll link it below. It's really, really easy. One night I'm going to do the dirty rice mix with some ground beef, and I'll throw in some pinto beans and just make a simple tossed salad. Another night I'm going to do chicken parm with baked ziti and some garlic bread. I have a cooking video on my chicken parm and baked ziti together because I usually make them together. I don't know why this looks so dark. Let me move over here. There we go. Hopefully that helps. And then I'm going to do a no meat night. One night I'm going to make a veggie quiche. I'll use up whatever veggies I have to use up. I'll make a salad with it, and then I'll do some chopped or sliced tomatoes with some balsamic glaze. I love the Trader Joe's balsamic vinaigrette glaze. I have some nice pork chops I got at BJ's, and actually our friend Justin's going to come that night, so we're going to do barbecue pork chops. I will make my twice baked potatoes. I have a whole video on that as well, which I'll link below. And then those beautiful grilled asparagus from Walmart, we'll throw those on the grill as well in the grill pan. And then of course my breakfast or leftovers night. I just put a little note to make blueberry pancakes if we have breakfast instead of leftovers, because I have some blueberry pancake mix that I need to use up. So anyways, this is my meal plan for the week. I get a lot of questions on this meal planner still. A few people have asked me when it is going to come back in stock. And I actually talked to Carrie, the owner. This is her brand here, Carrie Al. And she said they should be in stock this coming week. Maybe even, I would think in the next few days, guys, from when you see this video. I don't know if this cover that I have will be in stock, but the actual meal planners will be in stock. And I actually have a little giveaway coming up for a mini meal planner from this brand. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.